Hi, I'm Tony Napolitano, owner of Hear Like a 21-Year-Old, with clinics in Devon and Lansdowne, Pennsylvania, and a mobile service. I would like to talk to you about how to use, maintain, and care for your hearing aids. I'm going to show you how to do this with some popular hearing aids. I want to show you how to use them and care for them for the long term. I have some of the more popular hearing aids on the market right now: the Oticon Intent, the Phonak Lumity, and the Signia iX Pure Charging Go. I also have a battery-powered aid so you can see battery-powered versus rechargeable. First, we can talk about the parts of the hearing aid. There's the body, which has the supercomputer inside, along with microphones, a battery, and some type of push buttons on the back. Then you have the receiver wire, which connects to the hearing aid body. The wire is connected to the hearing aid body and has a receiver or speaker at the end that sits inside the ear canal. This receiver has a filter and a dome or a sleeve. The dome or sleeve is there for comfort and stability. This type of hearing aid is called a RIC, or a receiver in the canal. There's also a retention wire connected at the end. Some people call this a concha lock, a tail, or a retention string. It is not an antenna. It mechanically helps to keep the hearing aids in the ear. Most receiver in the canal hearing aids today are rechargeable with batteries that only the manufacturers can replace, typically. When you take the aids out at night, you clean off the domes with an alcohol wipe or audio wipes. Then you place them in a charger, the lights go on, and the aids get fully charged in about 3 hours. There's also a disposable battery version of the RIC hearing aid. On the disposable battery version, there's normally a tab on the bottom to open the battery door. You put new batteries in every 3 to 10 days, depending on the size of the battery, how long you operate the aid, and how long you use Bluetooth with the aids. The batteries come in packages like this, and you take out one battery at a time and place it into the hearing aid. Now we can talk about the daily maintenance of your hearing aids. We suggest you use an alcohol wipe or audio wipe on the rubber dome to keep off any debris and keep it clean. Remember, most hearing aids are only water resistant and not waterproof, so don't wear them in the shower, bath, or pool. That said, there's only one aid that is actually waterproof down to 4 feet deep in a pool. Now, let's show you how to put the hearing aids in your ears. First, put the body of the hearing aid behind your ear, like that. Then, place the wire in front of your ear like this. Now, place the bud in the ear canal till it's all the way in like that. Then, place the retention string in place in the concha, and that's it. So if you want to be taken care of and hear clearly, then call us for a free consultation or visit us at hearlikeA21yearold.com.